Welcome to MIG Cars here at 313 Lincoln Road. We're your EV and hybrid specialists. I'm Reese, I'm one of the sales people here, and today we're going to be taking over this really cool Toyota Sienta. It's nicknamed the Spaceship, as you can see. So starting at the front, we've got our parking sensors all along the front of the car. 15-inch alloys, these are really cool. And we've got some brand new tyres on here as well. When I say brand new, I mean brand new, never been driven on. Coming along to the back is where we've got the cool spaceship looking kind of thing. Yeah, this is easily one of the best looking 7-seater people movers I've seen in a long time. And I'm just going to get the key, and I'm going to hold down a button on here, and I'm going to show you what's really cool about these doors. Hold down a button, and it does it all by itself. It's quite cool. So on the inside here, obviously, we've got a lot of space. We need to have a lot of space for 7 seats, but this is just set up for 5 seats at the moment, and this is very comfortable. I'm 6'2", again, like I keep saying, and you can fit 3 of me across the back here. So this of course works with both sides of the car. We're going to close that, and then I'm going to show you that side. This is the boot of the Toyota Sienta. It's massive because it has obviously the extra rear seats. I can fit in that, and now I'm going to take the seats down. So we take the cover out. Now we come back around here. Now what we do here is we treat it like any normal seat that's folding down. So we just grab the lever that folds down and also folds the seat up, which is quite cool. After that, it's a matter of coming around and finding this little strip down here. So there's a little strip like made out of seatbelt material. And we just pull that, and it locks into the anchor points down there. And then to lift the seat up, we've got this lever here. So on the other side of the seat as well, we can do that. And now this side is the exact same. So lift those up, bring this tether up here. The seat will anchor in the middle, and then you get the lever to pull it up. Now I'm going to get it, and I'm going to show you the space that I get on the inside, which is actually quite a surprising amount of space. So, down go the seats, up goes the seat, but look at that. I've got a solid fist in between my knee and the seat, and I've got the same on my head. So there's a lot of space in the back, even for somebody quite tall, in the 7-seat variant as well as the 5-seat. Awesome, we're inside the Sienta now, and we're just looking at some of the buttons up around the console. So, lane keep assist, this is a crash prevention button. Down here we can open the doors, we can also lock the doors. So that's obviously your driver's side and then the passenger side. Moving up onto here, these are all of our controls for either the head unit or the dash display. So up there we've got readouts of pretty much everything involved in the car, involving power, battery, all the things that you may need. Then up under here, if I can see this, we've got traction control off button if we need. We've got our auto driving lights off. We can also go into eco mode or just into EV mode if you're driving around just in town at relatively slow speeds. Awesome, this is the head unit for the Sienta. We're just looking at the audio section of it today. So you've obviously got our AM radio, our FM radio, and our Bluetooth as well, which is nice. And going into reverse, just showing you the reversing camera. There we go. Cool, this is the AA Appraisal sheet for the 2015 Toyota Sienta. As we can see, no defects during inspection. Engine is really good. It's in above average condition for its age and mileage. That mileage is only 116,000 k's, so that's not many. Now tyre conditions, 8.5mm all round. So like I said, brand new tyres, you won't have a problem with getting through WAFs on these things for the next few years. And then the price sheet here. So this car comes in only at 18,300, and you get a rebate of 1,2 as well. So that brings this car down to about a $17,000 car, and it's essentially brand new as well. So that's always nice. Of course, as is with all of our hybrids and EVs, you get a free 3 years mechanical warranty via Protect Your Insurance. That can be redeemed across all of New Zealand. And here is the safety and energy label. So energy, you're only using about $1,600 per year, which is really, really cheap. That's a massive saving over, say, your normal petrol vehicle. Again, there's that $1,200 rebate. That's almost your money back in fuel for the year, which is cool. And a 5-star safety rating. So the best safety rating you can have. If you're carting your kids around in this thing to sports practice, you're using no fuel whatsoever, and you're doing it in the safest way possible. Thanks for watching this review of the 2015 Toyota Sienta. We hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to come on down to our EV and hybrid showroom here at 313 Lincoln Road, and come on in, have a coffee, just ask your staff, we'll look after you, and yeah, we hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.